Salam and welcome back to our video series on learning Moroccan Arabic for beginners. This is lesson number 6 and it is going to be about numbers. You are going to learn how to count from 1 to 100. Let's do it. We already did numbers from 1 to 12 when we studied months of the year in the previous lesson. Do you remember? Let's review them. واحد جوج ثلاثة ربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعود عشرة 11 and 12. Alright guys, so those are the numbers that we have used in the last lesson when we talked about months of the year. If you are new to this channel or you missed the last video, you can get back and watch it. I'm gonna put the link below. Now let's move on to the next numbers. Next one is 13. Just listen carefully. 13. 13. You will notice that all the numbers between 11 and 19 end with the sound tash. Tash, tash, tash. Let's move to the next one. 14. Let's repeat. 14. Look, a lot of people in some regions of Morocco, they would remove the R sound and they just say batash. Let's repeat, batash. So you can say that it's a bit easier than the first one. 15 is 15. 15. 16 is 16. 16. Tash, tash, tash. I really like that. And it's the same with 17. 17. Next one is 18. 18. Next one is 19. Let's repeat. 19 with the sound t. TS in the beginning. We spell it t. T. 19. 19. And then we have the number 20. We say 20. Once again, 20. Let's see the next one. 21. Alright guys, in English we say numbers from left to right, but in Arabic it's not the same. We have to go from right to left. So I would say 1 and 20. واحد و 20. So the word واحد means 1. The letter O is the equivalent of and 20 is 20. So let's repeat it again. واحد و 20. Can you try to say it? Awesome! Let's move to the next one. 22. Guys, just to remind you, we have to go from right to left. So we would say 22. 22. Maybe you are wondering, why didn't I say the word جوج, which means two, and I said the word 2? Well, simply because the word جوج in Darija means a couple, and we say جوج when it is not attached to other numbers. But when it comes with numbers such as 22, 32, 42, and so on, then we have to say it in the expression 2. Now let's go to the next one, 23. We would say 23. 23. And then we have 24. Let's repeat. 24. 4 and 20. Now can you guess how to say 25? Huh? Alright guys, it is 25. Awesome! Let's move to the next one. 26 26. And then we have 27 27. 27. And then we have 28 8 and 20. 28 and 29 29. 29. Then 30. Once again, 30. So guys, the same pattern that we did in numbers from 21 to 29, you can do it from 31 to 39. Let's do it quickly. 31 31. And then we have 32 32. 33. 33. Now, can you guess how to say 34? Huh? 34. Awesome. 34. So the same pattern applies to other numbers from 35 to 39. Then we have number 40. 40. Now we are going to see numbers by tens, such as 50, 50, 50. Then we have 16, which is 60, 16. Then we have 70, 70. Again, 70, 70. They all end up with the sound in, such as 80, 80. Once again, 80. And then we have 90, which is 90. Once again, 90. 90. And finally, we have the big number 100. Let's repeat it. 100. I think it's easier to pronounce, right? You just need to sound like a cat. Now it is exercise time. Yeah, guys, we are going to practice. I'm going to give you some numbers and I want you to take a few seconds and guess how to say them in Moroccan. Darija, number 41. Alright guys, it is 41. 41. Awesome. Let's move now to the next one. Next one is 53. It is 53. 53. Alright guys, you're doing very well. Let's move to the last one. Which number we're gonna see? 66. It is 66. Let's repeat. 66. 66. Now we are gonna do something else. I'm gonna give you some very useful examples that you can use in a daily life situation. شحال في عمرك? Let's repeat. شحال في عمرك? How old are you? So the word شحال means how much, and then we have a preposition في. Then we have the word عمرك, which means your age. And the response is عندي 28 سنة. I'm 28 years old. Let's break it down. I think it's very important. So the word عندي means I have. In Moroccan Arabic, we don't say I am when we want to talk about age, but we say I have. Okay? And we have 28, which is 28, and the last word is sana, which means a year. So now we learned how to say how old are you, how to ask for people's age. I think it's a good example to practice numbers with Moroccans, but what about you? How old are you? شحال في عمرك? Please let me know in the comment section below. This is the end of our lesson. Shukran for watching this video. If you like it, please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Also share it with your friends. And until I see you again, goodbye for now. Slama!